guys, and welcome back to JNP's kitchen. Today we are going to prepare tasty and easy aloo paratha. For this, the ingredients needed are medium-sized boiled potatoes, ghee, garam masala, pepper, wheat, salt, chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, green chilies and maida. So for boiling the potato, just put them in pressure cooker and cook them for 4 whistles on low medium flame. So firstly, take a saucepan and add the wheat flour, add salt to it, add a bit of ghee and mix it to form a chapati like dough by adding water little by little. I have used normal temperature water. You can even mix using the hot water if needed. So to this, I add ghee to make it a little bit soft and give it a little bit of texture. So once the dough is ready, cover it and place it aside. So while our dough is resting, we can actually make the filling. For that, unpeel the potatoes and mash them properly without any chunks. So here I'm using a spoon because I do not have a masher, but you can easily mash it up using a masher. So you need to make sure there is no chunks present or else it will become hard to roll out. To this, add in the onions, the coriander, the green chilies and the spices, that is garam masala and pepper powder. Mix well, and to this add also salt as per required. So I'm adding only a little salt because our dough also contains salt. Now mix this properly, make sure everything is reaching every place and there's no left out piece. So once it is nicely mixed, take back our dough and divide it into equal halves. So guys, for rolling this out, I'm going to make use of maida to give it a little bit more smoother texture. But you can optionally use even wheat, but I prefer to use maida, so I'm going for maida. So once it is divided, take out a bowl and roll it out a little bit so that we can place the filling within it. So I'm coating it with maida and rolling it out. Once it is slightly rolled out, not too thick or not too thin, I will place the filling in the center. Do not place too much filling, so keep only as required, otherwise it will overflow. And close the paratha properly on all edges. Now sprinkle some maida and turn it around so that the thicker dough portion is facing the board and roll it out. So now don't roll it too thin, we don't want it to go too thin, just keep it a medium consistency. And if you feel like you need to roll out on the other side, turn it around and roll it out a bit. But don't overdo it. So once that is done, heat a pan and to that brush a little bit of ghee. Place our paratha and apply ghee on the other side as well. You can decrease or increase the ghee amount as required. Now let it become brown on both sides and cook well. So this doesn't take long as we are using cooked ingredients. So once it is done, serve it with a little bit of nice ghee on top or butter and with raita and pickle, and enjoy guys. Thank you for watching, and if you like our channel, please do hit the subscribe button. Thank you and bye.